watching, and I know everybody's pretty much up to par with the 2.3 on their MPC, but I'm going to show you how to get the most out of it. So check this out. What I'm going to do here is just open a new project, and for the plugin, I just went to the electric, went piano 1. So you got your sounds and everything, but it's like last thing you want to do is hook up, you know, when you get your MPC, it's just like, I just want to use my MPC. I don't want to hook up any external keyboards. I don't want to hook up nothing else like that. So what I do, I just hit the pad perform, and it gives me a list of notes here that I can hit. Chromatic, notes, chords, progressions. Know what I mean? And then, so to play these new VSTs, or these new plugins that they gave you, let's go ahead and hit up a bass line here. Bass line, we'll do thump. I'm just going to record something real quick. Alright, cool. So we're going to go add another for track 1. We're going to leave that there. Track 2. I think we're going to go electric. So it's like, I don't know what key. I know I hit that pad. So again, I hit that pad perform. And make sure that you're in key. It's a no-brainer, man. It just shows you everywhere where you're at on there. So it's just very cool. Let's go ahead and put another one in here. Let's put a tube synth here. Again, I don't know what key I'm in or whatever, so you hit the pad perform, and I know if I hit these notes, I'm in key. Throw down some drums, and that's pretty simple right there, man. There we go. So I find something I like, program edit, sit here and play all day. I just thought that was kind of dope. Anyway, I'm going to head off to work, guys. I'm going to try to put some more videos together later on. But that pad perform on these things is super cool. Let me show you again. You get the Electroc 3. You can major, natural, minor. I mean, it does it all. Or you can just check this out real quick here. And I'll go over the auto sample and all that. That's cool stuff too, but we're gonna do browse. Wait a minute. Wow. Let's do a new project real quick. And yes, the update did fix the load time with my MPC, if anybody's wondering about that. So we're going to go, let's go tube synth, and we're going to hit play and generate random events. You can sit down here for quite a bit and actually get into these different things, and the Q links definitely help map everything out, and I really appreciate that. It's a lot of stuff to go over, and little by little I'll go over it, but for right now I gotta go, so I'll holler at you guys later. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Every single one of you makes a difference in my life, so when you subscribe, it's not just clicking a button, man. It's actually helping me out. So I really appreciate it. And yeah, I want to go over some of this stuff. I want to hook up this model sculpt to the MPC. I like to come out MIDI into here and then kind of go over these sounds and stuff that come in here. Really, really, really powerful. So I'm going to go over a lot of stuff, guys. Just share the videos, like, share, and subscribe, and I hope everybody enjoys. And thanks again.